In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Monday.com. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so you can quickly bring in data from a file and get it organized inside your board. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common mistakes like duplicate items or mismatched columns. First, open the specific board where you want your data to live. This part is important. Make sure you're on the correct board before you start the import, because everything you bring in will be added there. Take a moment to double-check the board name and that you have the right workspace and permissions. Once your board is open, look towards the top right area of the screen for the New Item button. Right next to that, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open a menu with additional options related to adding items. From this menu, select the Import Items option. This will open the import window where you can choose the file that contains your data. Monday.com typically supports common formats like CSV or Excel, so make sure your file is saved in one of those formats before you start. In the import window, you'll see the option to click to browse or simply drag and drop your file. If you prefer to browse, click the button and select your file from your computer. If it's easier, just drag your file from a folder and drop it onto that area. Give it a second to upload, and once it's ready, click Next. Now you'll see the column mapping screen. This is where you match the columns from your file to the columns on your Monday.com board. Carefully go through each field and choose which board column it should connect to. For example, a task name column in your file might map to the item name column on your board, while due date maps to a date column. This step is crucial for keeping your data clean and organized. When you're done mapping, click Next again. You'll now choose how to handle duplicates. You'll see options like creating new items, skipping duplicates, or overwriting existing ones. Creating new items is best when you're importing fresh data. Skipping is helpful if you only want to bring in new records. Overwriting is useful if you're updating existing items. Pick the option that fits your situation. Finally, click Start Import. Monday.com will process your file and add the items to your board. Once it's done, quickly scan your board to confirm that everything looks correct and that your columns and values are in the right place.